Digital marketing course for beginners, part 4. Okay, this is a 4-part series. If you haven't watched the first 3 videos, you need to go back and do so. They're called the same thing. They just say part 1, part 2, and part 3. They're all part of this playlist. Don't miss out. Okay, now this video is really cool because all the things I taught you in the first 3 videos, I'm going to teach you how to get good at all those things now, how you'll be able to do those things, how you can become an expert on all these things. That's what you need to do now, and in this video it's exactly what we're going to do, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Thank you for joining me on my channel. No, it's not my channel, it's your channel. This is a channel for you to learn stuff. I've been selling online since 2009, and I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products. And on this channel, what I do is I share those things with you so that you can get good results to help you start, run, and grow online businesses. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell, turn on the bell notifications right next to the subscribe button. Turn on all notifications. That way you're part of the Fisher family, the VIP group who gets notified every single time I do one of these videos. Man, I'm so glad you're here. This video is going to be so cool. You're really going to like this one. I'm not only going to explain to you a little bit more about digital marketing, but I'm going to show you how you can get the knowledge you need so you can apply all this information. Now, I also want to hear your opinions. Put your comments below. Let me know what you've done in digital marketing, what questions you have, what successes you've had, and I want to hear your story. Put that in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you want. Be fair. Okay, and let's get going. I hear it over and over again. I'm just not good at X. Okay, I'm just not good at I don't know, speaking Spanish. I'm just not that good at typing. I'm just not that good at, you know, doing pull-ups, whatever. Here's the truth, guys. You can get good at anything you want. Now, it's pretty hard to be good at every single thing. I can't do that. I know I can't do that. However, if you want to single out something like digital marketing and selling stuff online, you can certainly do that. It's not a hard thing to do. Don't get that blockade that because you can't do it now, you won't be able to do it in the future. I think a lot of people say, well, I can't do that now, so I'll never be able to do that. You didn't do that when you were young. Okay, when you were a little kid and you couldn't talk, you said, well, I can't talk, so I'm not even going to try. That never even went through your mind. You know, when you're 1 year old and you're just learning how to walk, you never said to yourself, well, I can't run, so I'm never going to try. No, you said I can do anything. But as the years go on, we start to believe we can do less and less things because we haven't done certain things. So I'm here to tell you, you can do digital marketing. It's not hard. You can learn this stuff. It's not difficult. You just need to put yourself out there and you need to get educated. I want to tell you some of the main factors that I've seen over the years why some people are not successful. The first thing is they don't believe they can. That's a big obstacle. You know, if you don't believe you can do something, it will prevent you from trying things. So the first thing you want to get over is that if other people can do this, so can you. It doesn't take a high level of intelligence. It doesn't take years of school. You can learn this in pretty short order if you just put yourself into it. So get in your mind first off that you can learn this stuff. You definitely can learn. The next thing I see is that it's overwhelming. There's so much stuff out there, they don't know where to start. You know, what's the first thing that I should do, JR? What's the first thing that I should do? Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you some resources where you can actually get started. You'll know where to start, so don't worry about that. But yeah, getting that organization thing, getting that thing in your head where what do I do first is a big obstacle for a lot of people. And when they can't figure out the first thing to do, they just kind of give up. They don't do anything at all. The next thing I see is they get bad information. Okay, there's some bad players out there. There are people out there that have courses that will charge you money, that will tell you that, you know, they know all these things and they've never done anything. So I will tell you, if you're going to get any type of training, get it from somebody who has actually done what you want to do. Okay, we have sold products online, digital products, physical products online. We can teach you how to do that. Okay, I've done that for many years. And if you want to know how to do that, I can give you that information and you can learn how to do it. You know, I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, so I do have the expertise in that area to help you. And then the last thing I see, and this is the real shame of it all, is people give up too early. They will try to do something and they reach a point where they get some obstacles, or you know, they can't get some questions answered, or they have a few failures, or they don't see success fast enough and they just quit. And I'll tell you, right on the other side of frustration is success. Right on the other side of frustration is success. As soon as you feel yourself getting frustrated with trying to make money online, you're probably almost there. You're probably right to the point where you want to be, because frustration is put there to prevent you from succeeding. That's what it is. Most people will hit frustration and quit. don't quit if you get frustrated, keep moving forward, and I'm going to show you some ways how you can get that training to do that also. Now, one of the first courses I came out with was a number of years ago, and we still sell it every day. It works really well. It's called Digital Cash Academy. Digital Cash Academy is an amazing course. It has software that goes along with it, but it actually walks you through the very beginning of starting an online business and all the steps you need to take to set it up. It took us, oh my goodness, over a year to actually make that course. It's sold on ClickBank. We also sell that course. I'll put a link to it in the description below so you can get more information on Digital Cash Academy, but that was one of the first courses I did. You can grab that course, you can use that course to your advantage and actually jump ahead of a lot of people. Next course I want to talk about is Facebook Ads University. If you're starting a business online, Facebook Ads University is a great place to go to do advertising, because no matter what your business is, no matter what your product is, you need to get your word out. You can do that through social media free, but it takes time, but you can do it with Facebook ads and do it very, very quickly. So I would also recommend Facebook Ads University. That's one of my courses. There are 4 pieces of software that go with that, and the software is just invaluable. The first piece of software actually helps you to create ads, so you can actually create ads that can be exported right into Facebook, which is a great piece of software. There's another piece of software in there that helps you find viral posts of your competitors, so you can actually go out there and immediately find out what posts they're doing that's working and actually copy some of those posts, not copy, but do ones that are similar to their posts and get the same results. You can, next piece of software in there actually lets you go out and find ads that have worked for your competitors, so you actually can crack the code on all those ads and actually get real results, because you see the ads they're doing, you can also do the ads. So there's another piece of software in there, it's got so much in this course, that will actually help you find the niches that you actually want to sell in. You know what, where are the audiences, so you don't have to go into Facebook and search and find these audiences. It integrates with Facebook, finds all the top audiences, tells how many people are in those audiences, and you can use those for your ads. So that's a great course. You want to check out Facebook Ads University. The next course I want to talk to you about is Web Cash Academy. Web Cash Academy is a course I did. Basically it wasn't a course, it was me training local businesses in San Diego, from plumbers to chiropractors to all kinds of different businesses, on how to sell online. It's a great course to grab and learn all those techniques, because you can actually see me working one-on-one with businesses in a classroom setting. The next course I want to tell you about is EcomRoad. If you've ever considered doing drop shipping, if you've ever considered, you know, putting products up for sale and having somebody send them out for you, EcomRoad's your course. EcomRoad actually will show you how to do all of that, and it's all concise and a simple course that anybody can follow. And the last thing I want to talk to you about, which is really something you need for digital marketing, is the email earning system. Email earning system actually shows you how to use emails to market your products and services. This is super important. This is where the vast majority of our income comes from, is from emails and mailing our list. So you'll want to get email earning system. Now I will tell you, if you bought all those courses, it's going to cost you a little bit of money, okay, but I have a simpler way that you can get access to all those courses, and that's through my Inner Circle, J.R. Fisher's Inner Circle. This is a private group, and you'll get access to all of those courses. In addition to that, we have a weekly coaching call. You can get your questions answered there. It's a live coaching call, and you can also send us support tickets. We can answer you through these support tickets. We can help you there, and we've got a private Facebook group that you can join and actually interact with other members. So the Inner Circle is a great thing if you want to learn how to do digital marketing, you want to learn how to sell stuff online, and you want support, because remember I told you earlier, a lot of people quit because they get frustrated, you know, there's something they can't get answered and they don't get the support they need. Now what I'll do is I'll put a link to the Inner Circle below, and these other courses if you want to buy them individually, and you can actually check out the Inner Circle and see what it'll do for you. I think it's going to be tremendously helpful. I think you're really going to enjoy it. I think you're going to get a lot out of it, and I look forward to meeting you in there. I look forward to seeing you in there. Now keep in mind, I'll be working with you one-on-one in the Inner Circle itself. Plus you have access to our support team. You can put in support tickets, you can actually email us, you can, you know, get the information you need to help you move forward. So that's a pretty good overview on digital marketing. If you haven't, like I said, gone through the first 3 videos in the series, you're going to want to do that. You're going to want to go back and watch all 3 of those. There's 4 videos in the series, and the 4 videos will walk you through digital marketing and how to make money online through digital marketing and all the different components and all the terms and all that good stuff. And then by joining the inner circle, if you choose to do that, it can help you move forward, and you're going to be able to really get up to speed that much faster. Now I want you to put comments below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Let me know the questions you may have. Maybe you've had some successes, or maybe you've had some failures and you want to share those with us. We would love to see that below. Also, like I said, this is your channel, so if you've got particular subject matters, things you want to learn about, and you put those comments below and I see those, I'm going to be really likely to do videos on those particular subjects. So put that below too, what you would like to learn. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Hit that big subscribe button down there. Don't forget also, there's a bell. You got to ring the bell. That's the notification bell. Now if you ring the bell, there's a little drop down and you've got to set it to get all notifications. If you set it that way, then every time I do one of these videos, every time I do a live training, you will be notified. You'll be part of the VIP list, the Fisher family, who knows about this stuff before anybody else does. Pretty cool stuff, right? Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. Appreciate you being on the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. I would really appreciate it. Put your comments down below like I said before, and I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.